Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel. This was day 82, Sunday, November the 20th. So I did my 45 minutes on the treadmill. I did a 5-minute jog, including with that 45 minutes. Then I paid some bills, and then I ordered some Instacart. And then I did a live session with another Remote Wellness Academy student. So that went on for an hour, back and forth, recorded practice session. So I am officially got Module 4 in the books, and we are making progress with Remote Wellness Academy. And we are now going on into Module 5. So everything is all done for Module 4. It's listed as complete. I'm glad about that. It's a good accomplishment. And then yesterday I had some time to relax. So it's been interesting. The weather's been changing. It's getting colder here. It was a rainy day yesterday, and a lot of allergies going around, a lot of cold. The change of climate, it's affecting a lot of us. So, but other than that, when we say it's cold here in Florida, we're talking about, in the 50s and 60s. It's like freezing to us, because it's like most of the other time it's, 9 months out of the year, the temperatures in the 80s and 90s, and then this short period of the calendar, maybe from late November, December, January, and then maybe halfway into February, it gets cold. So it's only a couple of months that it's like this, and people come to Florida and they're escaping the snow, and they come down here and they're in their shorts and all that, and we're all, they can't understand why we're all in jackets and gloves and hats and things like that. But that's the way it is, because that's just how we are climatized. I know that ever since I served a tour of duty in Saudi Arabia, in the summertime, when the temperatures could literally get to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you come back to Florida and it's 80, 90, it feels cold. And people are like, we're crazy. And I'm like, well, that's how I'm climatized, So I much rather prefer to deal with hot weather than I would with cold weather. Cold weather I don't like. But anyway, that was my day for day 82. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions. I look forward to talking to you soon.